Hey guys, welcome back. Today's video is going to be another fall Bath & Body Works haul. I think this is my third one for the season. You guys know my obsession with Bath & Body Works is serious. I love Bath & Body Works, but this time of year, the fall, it can get a little bit dangerous. It's not good for my bank account. I'm sure many of you can relate. So I wanted to share with you what I recently picked up from in store. And again, it's like so over. I know I mentioned this in a lot of videos, but lately, every year, they just keep pumping out more amazing scents and fragrances. It gets very overwhelming, but it's great at the same time. So yeah, I went into my local store. This might be like 2 visits. I'm not really sure, 1 or 2 visits. And I did have a coupon to use, a 20% coupon to use, so I was really excited about that. So I wanted to share with you what I picked up and kind of give you guys, recommendations if you don't really know what scents to go for the fall at Bath & Body Works. But anyways, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit the like button and the notification bell down below. And without further ado, if you guys like to see what fall goodies I picked up from Bath & Body Works, then just keep watching. Okay, so I definitely thought I was filming for the last 15 minutes and I wasn't, so I'm doing this again. So first off, this I mentioned in my last video, but I wanted to update you guys because I was actually really surprised. It is the Welcome Home Wallflowers, or the bulbs. This is an online only, I believe, but they definitely need to bring these bulbs to store. Now, Welcome Home, I believe, was a new candle that they had last year, and I believe it came out in late fall. I'm hoping that they come out with it again, but the bulb, oh my goodness, you guys, it smells so nice, and it definitely has a great throw. You can smell it everywhere. So let me read the notes to you quickly. It's cinnamon sugar, apple butter, and clove buds. This was really amazing. They need to bring this to store, not just online only, and if they want to bring the candle back, I would not be disappointed about that. Related to that, I wanted to share with you the plugs that I recently got, and I know I mentioned in every video that yes, you can swap out old plugs for new ones if they're not working, not spreading the oil in the bulb to your liking. And it frustrates me. I know I was talking about this in my last video. I wish that they made these plugs so that they did last longer, so that I don't have to keep swapping them out. These are guaranteed for life. So if you find that you put a brand new bulb in and you can't smell it circulating around in your room to your liking, then there's a really good chance that it's the plug and just not really working. Like the first time you use a plug, it's brand new. It's like the best thing in the world. I love it. But anyways, yeah, I don't know why they don't make the bulbs to last, but they're guaranteed for life. You can swap them out for free. You don't have to bring a receipt in. They just have to be comparable. So this was the one that I ended up swapping out. I had like another fall nightlight one from last year that just wasn't really doing anything anymore. I wasn't really smelling it unless I got like right over the plug. So I swapped it out for this one right here. It's really cute. It's like a lantern, and then it's got like an orange and red like maple leaf on it, as you guys can kind of see right there. So I thought that was really cute for the fall. And side note, my store had like no decorative plugs like for the fall. They had like none. This was like the last one. So I decided to go with this one, and then I just ended up purchasing a basic one then. And the price like is pretty substantial, the price difference. The basic one's $4.50 and then this is $16.50. So I just want to share with you the bulbs that I got. I did have a coupon for a free hand cream. This might have been from a couple weeks ago, and I'm just sharing it with you now. It is for pumpkin apple. I actually just put it on my hands because I thought I was filming earlier. But it smells really nice. The notes for this, do they have the notes on here for pink apple or pumpkin apple? They do not, but it smells really nice. And I know pumpkin apple is a lot of people's favorite, especially when it comes to the candle. Unfortunately, last year, I ended up returning it because I would light it and I just could not smell it. I'd have to get over it. The throw just was not that great to me, unfortunately. But the hand cream smells really nice. So this is a really nice scent. And speaking of candles, I don't have any candles to share with you in this video. The last video, I kind of went a little candle crazy, but I did want to update you. One of the candles that was new, and I don't know if it's new this year, it was the Perfect Autumn. And I had mentioned that that smelled very similar to the regular candle Autumn. And my problem with that candle every year is I buy it and I light it. I can't smell it, the throw on it, or how well it distributes the scent in a room just wasn't doing it for me, and I'd have to get over the candle to smell it. Some candles are like that, and bulbs even for that matter, because the autumn bulb, is awesome. So every year I'd end up like, oh, well, maybe I'll be able to smell it, and then I'd end up having to return it because I couldn't smell it. The Perfect Autumn solved that problem, and it smells so nice. You will smell it everywhere in your house, and it's a very fall candle. It smells like you could smell the hints of apple and like cinnamon and like pumpkin. I don't know, it's just really nice. Definitely would recommend that one if you guys are looking for a good fall candle. So next is body care. I know I've mentioned some fall body care so far in these videos, but since I had the 20% off, I decided to get more, and it was the buy two get one free. So I decided to get two of, I got one of the body cream of the Sweater Weather, which I've already picked up. And this is like my top two body care scent for like year round at Bath and Body Works. I also love Velvet Sugar, which is an online only that I mentioned in all my videos. Sweater Weather is amazing. I stocked up last year and I still have some left over because I wasn't sure if they were going to bring it back this year. It's amazing. The notes for Sweater Weather are Sunkissed Apple, Autumn Leaves, and Orchard Woods. And if they could create a candle that smells like this, please, it would be great. Now, some of you are probably like, well, they have Sweater Weather, the candle and the bulb. Yes, but the notes are different and it does not smell anything like the body care. It smells so nice. It almost is like a little bit of like cologne, that's not even a word, like a cologne scent, if you will. And I think that's like the Orchard Woods note to it. I don't know, you guys, I love it. So I ended up picking up another shower gel and body cream of it, and I would definitely recommend that one, you guys. I also like Sweet Cinnamon Pumpkin. I have it left over from last year. So I'm using that up, and that's a good one. And then I also decided to try this one out, and I just realized that they don't have the notes on the back of the body lotions, only the body creams. I don't know why they do that, but this is Pink Velvet Cupcake, and this one's actually pretty nice. I don't know, it smells like a little sweet, kind of girly. That's kind of how I can describe it. Again, it's not going to do you guys justice if I'm not reading the notes, but yeah, this one's really nice, so I decided to try something different. The main reason why I actually ventured into Bath and Body Works was because I was waiting for the hand soaps to go on sale, and they went on sale on a Monday, which was yesterday. So I went in yesterday because I know, like, even the, what is it, the 4 for $20 that they do, and they end up coming out like $5 a piece. It's really not a bad deal considering that they're $6.50. Are they $6.50? I think they're $6.50. No, they're $7.50 a piece. So that's not a bad deal, but I know that they will. I knew that they would mark them down even more. I just am really knowledgeable when it comes to like knowing what they're going to mark down and when. So it's always multiple trips, hence the fact why you get these multiple videos. I like to wait for things to go on sale. So the deal that they were running was $3.95 a piece, which is really good. So, and if you're not doing the deal, the 4 for $20, it comes out to be like you're saving $1. So I ended up picking out 4 hand soaps. And speaking of the Perfect Autumn candle that I was just raving about, I noticed that they had the Perfect Autumn hand soap. I'm wondering if they have it in the bulb. I'm going to need bulbs soon, so I will let you know if they do. I'm not really sure. So this is what the hand soap looks like, and the notes for it are fresh cranberry, spiced pumpkin, and crisp apple. So that I wasn't able to provide to you when I was describing the candle, but that's what the notes are, and it smells really nice, you guys. I'm going to smell it on camera. It smells so nice, you guys. It smells just like fall. I cannot talk today, you guys. So I decided to get one of these. And then next, okay, so the only reason really why I got this hand soap was because of the packaging. The packaging sold me, and I'm going to try to get close up and see if my camera focuses. I was trying to fix the autofocus on this camera. It's kind of working a little bit. If I get further back, you'll be able to see it. But basically, it's kind of like a creamish white, and it's neutral. It kind of goes with my decor in my house, and it's just got like all leaves kind of like ingrained on it, if you will. So I just love the packaging. But the actual hand soap is Pumpkin Cupcake. And I mean, this one smells okay. It's not like one of my favorites, but yeah, so I definitely just got this for the packaging. Sucker for packaging sometimes, you guys. Oh, let me read the notes to you. The notes are baked pumpkin, whipped vanilla, frosting, and gold honey. So you can definitely smell like the vanilla and the honey, but it's definitely like a lighter scent. It's not like very powerful like the last one. And then let's see, the last two hand soaps that they had, and I was kind of like wishing they had more hand soaps that were like of the candles, but yeah, they didn't really. And then they have like their whole like spooky like Halloween hand soap collections, but I didn't really go for any of those. Sweet cinnamon pumpkin, this is a really nice one. The notes are harvest pumpkin, spiced clove, and sugar cane. I'm just gonna smell this really quickly. I don't know why I want to, but let's see. Yeah, it smells really nice. This smells just like the body care, you guys. The candle, in my opinion, does not smell like the body care, and the candle, in my opinion, does not throw or spread into a room the way you would like it to. So I typically do not purchase Sweet Cinnamon Pumpkin as the candle, but the body care I definitely do, so I picked up this. And then the last hand soap, I'm definitely getting hand soap all over me right now, trying to be careful here. Is Afternoon Apple Picking. I pick this up every single year. It smells amazing. It literally smells like apples. I love the name of it, and I need to go apple picking soon, you guys. Crisp apples, succulent pear, and cinnamon. Those are the notes, and without spilling, I just want to smell this on camera. Yeah, it smells really nice, you guys. It smells really nice. I feel like they do have a candle that smells really similar to this. But I tend to just go with, I don't really go for like solely pumpkin candles, even though I'm talking about hand soaps. Like the Perfect Autumn, I like it to have other notes besides the apple, but I definitely feel like they probably have a candle that smells just like this, but nonetheless, it smells really nice. But anyways, let me know in the comments down below, what are your favorite scents and fragrances from Bath & Body Works in the fall? I would definitely be curious to find out, are any of these ones that are your favorite or that you have tried? Certainly let me know, but anyways, that is it. I hope you guys have a wonderful week, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!